check. I never hit those, but I checked the net. Told her jump in the shower before she hop in my bed. Player shit, new outfit, I'm killing shit. Barbecue with my niggas on some cool and shit. Yeah, nigga off top. Yeah, nigga off top. Yeah, nigga off top. Yeah, man. Nigga off top. How you doing, baby? I know you still think about me. Quit playing, hit a nigga line. Yeah. You know I fuck with you. Yeah. So quit playing with me. Let me talk to you. Baby, I can do a lot for you. I can be the one you can call when you down. I can be the one you can call when you land. Why you looking sexy like that? Quit playing. Hair on point in her body like that. I'm working on trying to be the best that I can. Believe in yourself, put trust in your plan. You make a nigga wanna jump fresh, dry the rag. Smoking, cooling, laughing, was heading. Half moon bay just to grab some lunch. I was giving up, but you came in clutch. I've been texting baby girl a couple of months. She make a street nigga wanna fall in love with head. Yeah. Sure. You know I fuck with you, man. But I brought G with me. Sure. How you doing, love? Yeah. Turn me up. Man. Yeah. A nice day on the block. The trap is moving, the hose is out. Hey, Miss Parker, that body is nice. Your man ain't home, I'm hitting the night. I'm heading to the motherfucking store. A box of condoms in the water for show. Bounce out, hit the kill switch, ready to go. Old bitch on my line and she ready to hoe. See you on the internet with them fake ass posts. Yeah, I got a lot of hoes, shit, what else you wanna know? Check it out, I make a lot of money in Mac. And if you want that little bitch, you can have that back. And these brand new kicks match clean with the hat. And this fresh white tee just to cover the strap. I be all around the states and I'm rocking like that. You be stalking the bitch, I be making them racks. Always knew that I make it, always knew you be faking. Get my socks from Macy's, daily driver Mercedes. See you looking at shit, bitch drop them digits. You playing hard to get, but I know that you with it. I've been talking for a minute, but it's time to fuck around. Sweatpants on, still rock the 4 pound. Real street nigga, get the bag in the mouth. Frisco nigga, but got ties in the south. Whole lot of motherfucking money in his zip. Whole lot of motherfucking bottles in his VIP. She still never met another nigga like me. Fresh ass nigga and I keep it so P. Probably never follow on the gram, but I still tap. Bent the little bitch over twice and I killed that. I know she probably wanna be my main bitch real bad. So many diamonds in my chain make them feel bad. $100,000 ain't shit, I need real bad. Fuck all the chimney shit, bitch, I'm bringing real back. 3 cell phones and I still never call back. Baby just hit Monterey with a call at. Smack, but I always use a Jimmy hat. Stack, more M's, bitch, give me that. Work in the cut, case the shit slow up. She chose on the P, cause she know I go up. Was had zoom in a sports car, I'm moving. Buck 40 switching lanes, nigga, I'm fooling. Whole lot of games, so these hoes I'm schooling. Pay attention to me, I'll show you how I do it. I've been talking for a minute, but it's time to fuck around. Sweatpants on, still rock the 4 pound. Real street nigga, get the bag, then I'm out. Keep it going, go right here. I pimp and I rap, drive a Benz, not a leg, 2 12s in the back when I'm mob. Grab an A for the perk, fresh white t-shirt, no L's, but a young nigga slide. Got a bitch out the way, Brentwood to be exact. Suck dick like the bitch still in college. Don't make me take it back to 07, bitch, nigga, black hoodie with the Chinese chop. Don't give me no motherfucking Bama, bitch, nigga, in the 415, that's a problem. Got a bitch in the A, hella bad, and she thick, and she make a real good peach cobbler. Got her trapping in the city, San Bruno Bay Hill. First game, so I treat her like a starter. Got her first Louis bag, not a bitch going hard, not a hoe riding round in Maserati. 4 deep, ayy, 4 deep, no sleep, nigga. 4 deep, no, 4 deep, no, ayy, 4 deep, no sleep, nigga. 4 deep, no, 4 deep, ayy.
Let's get it. 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 As usual, starting on that weekly. Hope everybody had a good weekend. Pretty light on the news this week. Not too much news. Yeah, not too many red folders, but usually the Mondays after NFP and like a lot of news is pretty solid. So let's dive into it. Let's dive into it. Alright, so these down candles took the buy side or the sell side liquidity underneath these relatively equal lows right here. Right, I was kind of eyeing this weekly busy, right, with this relatively equal or this low, single low inside of this weekly busy. Right. But with seasonality and everything, you might have put in a little short-term low. Alright, because I know the NASDAQ coming up on going into that daily busy, the same one that that S&P has, right? NASDAQ just entered that one right here on Friday. Right. It looks like it's drawing towards these relatively equal highs up here, right? All these relatively equal highs. Looks like we're drawing up into there. Right, like we just took a short-term high, left this busy in here. Right. Got the volume imbalance. I traded to this 2 daily busies right here with purging the buy side the sell side liquidity underneath this low right here. Right here. Alright, feel that daily busy. Trading to this last down close candle. Right there, so hop back over to yes. What is happening with TradingView? Yeah. Oh yeah, there we go. Alright, yeah, so I created a busy, right, buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency. I've taken the short-term high, right here. Got some volume imbalances as well. Alright, looks like we're drawing up into. First, it would be looking at like how it treats this wick, right? How it treats that wick right there. Alright, so we just reached like that 0.25%. Right? Seeing how it reacts, 0.25%, 50%, right? And then maybe we come down and feel some of this inefficiency, right? But also it's got like these relatively equal highs up here that we could draw to. And yeah, that's about it for the. Let's keep this. Let's make it a little bit lighter. Can you make it lighter? Oh yeah, there we go. Oh yeah, there we go too.
sliding with a tech. They like June, why you never got security? Cause there's nothing in this life that can fear me. All the real niggas really go feel me. And all the real bitches really go here.
There we go, there we go. Make it a little bit lighter. A little bit easier on the eyes. Okay, let's get it. Hop into the 4 hour here. Okay, hopping into the 4 hour, right? Got our levels there, right? I'm liking this area right here. It's probably below the 50%. Below the 50% and has that single low sell side liquidity inside of there. Nice little draw on liquidity. That sell side liquidity in there. Right, if you were to draw back up into there, that'd be nice. Right, as for premium, right, looking at like that 50% of that wick, right, and eventually I think maybe after we hit that, draw back up into here. Look at this high just before I didn't tap into this 4 hour Sibu right here. Well, actually this is a busy. Yeah, into this 4 hour Sibu right here. Draw up into there. Yeah, looking nice. Looking nice.
As I proceed to roll this weed, she pretend to be sleek cause she don't want leave. Day in the life of an actual G. Lot of niggas lying, they just rapping about me. I stay to myself, I stay to the wealth. Vitamin C tablet, mimosas, cheers to your health. My Rolex is like a fucking championship belt.
Jumping out to the 1 hour.
Flashbacks about how good it felt. Want me to swing back, but mama, I'm good on that. I'm in the hood already, they barbecuing and kicking back.
Let's see here.
It's like when Doughboy got out. Everybody kicking.
Where are my session lines? Alright, so it's 1 hour. There we go. There we go. Real shallow run during London. Nothing really too pronounced. Yeah, nothing too crazy. I mean, this single low inside this 1 hour imbalance. I like that. And we could draw too. Alright, once we hit this premium. And that wick. Now we're busy. Yeah, we got that nice little sell side right here. Some little sell side liquidity. Yeah, real nice. Drop down a little bit lower. We do have some low busies right here. They can give us a little that we can make efficient and then keep going, drawing lower. Alright, yeah, some relatively equal lows right there as well. Alright, well, let's drop down into this 15-minute. See what's up with this 15-minute chart. There we go. There we go. yeah, I mean, we got these relatively equal lows right here. All right, sell side liquidity right there. Overall, though, on this 15-minute, respecting down close candles pretty well. All right, so we'd have to get like a nice little 15-minute, 5-minute shift in market structure to be seeing lower prices. Not quite yet. Not quite yet. There we go. There we go. There's that 50% right there on that daily wick, right? Consequent encroachment of that wick. Right about there. 9 handles away. Right. It's the 5-minute. No red folders today. Pretty light news week for the red folders. Right. Plus, look at right where these relatively equal lows is. It's a new week opening gap right here. Right. Which price treats as like a magnet, right, to draw towards this new week opening gap. So let's see. Usually like to stay on like the 15-minute, right before the macros. I have the 1 minute on some other charts. Let me try restarting TradingView real quick and see if that fixes this problem real quick. Let me see. Cause it's taking a little extra long to load. So let me restart it real quick and then see what's up with it. Let's see. Oh yeah, that's so much better, Let's see if it loads in right here. There we go. Yeah, so much better. Here we go. There we go. Cool. Right? No. Defined. I mean, we got a small little busy right there, but price is pretty efficient, right? We got a small little busy right there, small little busy right there. Got some relative equal lows on that little small busy. Right. Above Friday's relatively equal highs already, right? Coming up into this consequent encroachment of the wick, right? Yeah, we just passed the 0.25% right there, right? So that could be like a short-term premium, right? See if we want to trade lower, right? Start drawing to these relatively equal lows. 1 hour with this busy, right? So that's what I'm kind of just watching. All right, just looking at liquidity and inefficiencies.
damn right, baby, you can come with me. With your sexy ass.
Yeah, we're doing good, but you could do a little better. Got that first AM macro rolling around. About 8 minutes. No. 6 minutes. 6 minutes. Yeah, just. Alright, so drawing higher. 25 is the 50 right there. Yeah, but if we look to the left, right? I mean, we're filling in majority of the SIBI, this 4-hour SIBI right here. If we go into the 1 hour, we got that overlapping with that consequent encroachment. Look at that 1 hour imbalance right there. Let's mark that up. That 1 hour SIBI right here, drag that all the way over, and we're just about to enter it right now. SIBI. Alright, so we're about to enter that 1 minute imbalance. Couple handles away.
In my motherfucking pocket. 5 G's cash in a modified whopper. I'm picking up this bitch, I'm insane. Bonafide snow guaranteed to make dollars. It's only 2 bitches that I like. A trapping asshole and a squid and keep it solid. These niggas too worried about niggas. Bitch, I just made a 50 ball last night. I'm riding in my 5-point easy. I'm sliding through the point, so I'm gripping on this G. Saw black 650, it was Steve. I said, what's happening with my nigga? You can call me if you need me. I got a little light-skinned bitch from the rich. I told her off the rip, love, I'm not having kids. It's way too much fucking money to get. You knew the bitch was out of pocket, still paying the rent. But I be trapping like a motherfucker. Stacking like a motherfucker. Nigga macking like a motherfucker. Like a motherfucker. Like a motherfucker. Trapping like a motherfucker. Stacking like a motherfucker. Top nigga, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Damn. And bitch, don't check me, bitch. Check the air quality. Numbers. Yeah. Dysons and shit. You know what I'm saying? $500 fans and shit. You know what I'm saying? That shit's something slight though, you know what I mean? Run that. I was born in 91. Product of the dope game. 50s, Camaros, cuts when we swing. Crack game. You don't even know the half. The stress. Living life so fast. I'm dreaming. 91, 91, 91, 91, 91. I'm dreaming. 91, 91, 91, 91. Have you ever come and choose on a pig. Bitch, I feel like I'm dreaming. Feel like I'm dreaming. Feel like I'm dreaming. Bitch, I feel like I'm dreaming. Feel like I'm dreaming.
I'm just dissecting this London session right here. Hello. Came up.
If they pull a nigga over, I might take another L. I ain't really been the same since they killed my nigga Lil. Riding with a ghost, 40K shit get real. No phone, no Twitter, no gram, just feel. Posted in the trap, selling niggas ETD. Call of Duty on me, niggas not robbing me. Left wrist on lottery, got cottage cheese. I'm on win mode, bitches no stopping me. Gas up the motherfucking whip, now I'm scraping. Cooling, moving, smoking like Jamaican. She shaking, dick so good, got a craving. Remind me of this little bitch I had named Megan. What's happening? Put the P aside, now I'm macking, stacking. Yes, Lord, another 100,000. It's feeling like a dream while I'm counting up these bad days. I could've got a job, but instead I chose the fast way. What's happening? Bitches see and wanna come and choose on a pig. Bitch, I feel like I'm dreaming. Feel like I'm dreaming. Feel like I'm dreaming. Bitch, I feel like I'm dreaming. Feel like I'm dreaming. Feel like I'm dreaming. It was a clear afternoon. The bitch wasn't casual. Riding to the neck, just me and my hammer. I don't want no drama, but I gotta stay ready. Bought the little bitch some fish and spaghetti. Met a bitch name, don't say it. Met her in the town, took her to the crib and killed it on the couch. Why you niggas always stressing about a punk rock bitch when your kids ain't even got no clothes that can fit what's happening? Bitches see and wanna come and choose on a pig. Bitch, I feel like I'm dreaming. Feel like I'm dreaming. Feel like I'm dreaming. Bitch, I feel like I'm dreaming. Feel like I'm dreaming. I was born in 91. Product of the dope game.
Just below that 1 hour Sibby. Just below it.
Living life so fast. I'm dreaming. 91, 91, 91, 91, 91. I'm dreaming. 91, 91, 91, 91, 91, 91. Now, nigga, when you see me hop out this motherfucking thing with them bust Daniels on, they don't be talking, nigga. You know what I'm saying? 800 to shoot, bitch. Numbers. Check. I done took L's, I done took wins. Calculated risk, no assist, just him. Don't call me the king of shit, I'm just trying to live. Take care of my son, buy another Benz. Living on the edge, but it's all about the
Just into that first AM macro.
you just gotta try, my nigga. Then put the grind with it. On the phone with Too Short, respect to the real pimp, consistent. Check. Know what, my nigga, stay consistent. Oh, you want this whip? Stay consistent. Understand time is valuable, consistent. Got tired of taking L's. You gotta trust your dough before you can sell it. Pack it and mail it. It took me to places that I've never been. I'm thumbing through yen. In Tokyo with Ando sipping gin. Well respected, well connected. Oh, you got some money? Well invested. Learn from lessons. G.O.D. my first whip was a Lexus. Check. I was down to my last time ramen pack when I got the text message saying I'm about to be a dad. Fled to Arizona, started moving packs. That was that. Hotel to hotel, nowhere that I was living at. If I get caught with this backpack, it's a wrap. Back then the loss was hella different. I was going damn. My homie had a smoke shop, that's where I used to stash it at. We cut from the same cloth. How you go hate on that? Consistent. No matter what, stay consistent. Keep going, my nigga, stay consistent. It's gonna come in place. For real. Consistent. boss if you don't handle biz. Real men stay on 10, take care of their kids. You boys talking too much, it's time to show them ends. I did shows around the globe and never took a cent. That might have went over your head, I be thinking different. I bought real estate before I went and bought the Bent. I had sun 10 toes when you was in your feelings. And I ain't need no record deal to touch my first million. Spending money on assets for rainy days. I'm more focused on ownership, not the fame. Grab an old long tee, then jump in the stain. We just touched down, but right back on the plane. Mission Bay, man, damn. Made 1,000 times this month, not too bad. I ain't gotta be famous to pull the stickers off the jag. I'm not a rapper, I'm a brand, real CEO with it. Playing tennis with some techies in my Larry Jones sneakers. First you gotta find your passion, then you stick with it. One thing about this game, you gotta stay consistent. Make time for your bitch, but always think riches. I'm not trying to go back to eating church and chicken. It's a nice day, I'm sipping tea and I'm reading. If she bringing drama in my life, she deleted. You hating on the internet, I'm sitting back chiefing. Another 50K, plan a trip for the weekend. I don't stack for the summer, bitch, I stack for all seasons. I can't put it in your hand, but I can show you how to get it. 17, I took chances, 18 took more. 19, I think that's when I bought my first Benzo. You don't really love me, you just want tickets to the show. You wanna hear your favorite song and all your girls wanna go. You wanna be on Instagram posting pictures like you own. You wanna wake up, dig down and sit on your way home. You gotta treat it like a job if you wanna make some dough. Go hard every day and never use the word no. Understand it's gonna be times that it's slow, keep going. All my haters never really had money and it's showing. I can't step down to that, I'm on resorts and islands. Getting sand in my Crocs on these jet skis wildin'. On the race with myself, I don't see nobody. Fresh fruit in my water in my hotel lobby. Looking at a Grand Nash and I just might copy. Lighting up sudden flight with this go yard lighter. Bright lights in the city got me thinking about more money. OG told me it's no money like hoe money. Flight out of state, 20K is like show money. Meet me face to face, we can talk, then you can go for me. I don't hold grudges, I go hard and then I shit on them. What's up, nigga? Remember when you used to call me lil' homie? Knock some fresh game and you tried to backdoor a nigga. Through all the bullshit, I still love you, you my brother, nigga. I love a lot of things, but the game the most. Took me out the streets to G4s and boats. I've been doing this, I don't brag or boast. Nigga, 2015, I was having the most. Now it's 2019 and I'm having some more. I was trying to make it shake, you was chasing the hoe. When I touch down P, you know I'm making it slow. Make a nigga relocate the trap for show, I'm still at it. Yeah, man, check, I'm still at it. I'm still at it, man. My nigga still at it. Still at it. I'm still at it. Yeah. I don't even know how I do it, so don't ask me that. Tryna give my little one everything I didn't have. Through all the ups and downs, still balance the crowd. I'm eating chow mein on the way to Japan. I've been manifesting shit since I was a kid. I used to sit back and just dream about this. Ask Sean Kelly, he'd agree about this. When I was down to my last, still thought like this. I went from ravioli to $200 plates. Now my rubber band, 1200 Cartier. Never show your hand, just do what you say. It's the reason why I'm still respected in the
Generating some buy-side liquidity before we tap into this 1 hour. That's what it looks like.
We lost years in the game cause the money was good. To make 10,000 was so humbling to us. Had to make it happen, you know the streets is cold. You cracking under pressure, me, I won't fall. I move how I move, I know niggas is watching. I fuck with rich niggas, we got something in common. I'm looking at the prices of gold, nigga. bottle, sipping mojitos with Dame. You gotta go hard no matter what, stop complaining. Born in 91, but the whip 88. Going through these motions, nigga, I'm the coldest. Days I was hopeless, nights on them sofas. Made me a monster, I came with a method. I move with intention, I'm out eating pasta. You hold the bitch hostage, I break the bitch pocket. And I don't even expect you weird niggas to like this shit. I'm wrong.
I got myself a nice place in the hills, some new threads, a nice ride. It was fun. I like being a big shot. Wouldn't you?
And you can't be scared of change, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? You be alright. Keep your eyes on that prize, keep your eyes on that bag, you know what I'm saying? And don't trip, my niggas, levels of success, you know what I'm saying? Taking one step at a time. Numbers. What's happening? Gotta think bigger. I'm driving to Pacifica. When you writing down your goals, you gotta be Pacific. I'm different. Nigga, I can French kiss the ticket. Cutting off with them little niggas, love you tripping. Fuck it. We just go cop the whole building. We was pushing to civilians. Anything to make it out that jungle. Looked up to the drug dealers. Yeah, keep all that.
We trying to enjoy our best life, not struggle every day, not barely make it through. That's why me and Larry June do what we do.
Spending blood money on gold and nice timing. $100,000 a month, but keep it modest. Selling merchandise out the trunk, just know we got it. Pops always told me, man, you gotta break the cycle. Uncle Sam real, so I chill with my accountant. Turning down deals on the road with my family. 6 figures, really not much, I need 7. I don't take L's, I learn lessons. I'm blessed, nigga. AMG with the red seats, it feel like a dream. 5 hours on the interstate, gotta get this cheese. Stainless steel, Batman, Rolex with no D. Love, you know you gotta have your weight up to fuck with me. Running up a check to the neck, I got 6 ways. I'm just trying to live my life happy, I've been through some things. I think the best thing I ever did was never quit. Stay up on your grind, young nigga, you can get rich. Seafood Tower, I'm in New York fucking with it. Every time I land in New Orleans, I fuck with Spit. And my nigga Al, watch 13 down. We can't wait till next week, love, I need it right now. What's happening? Make the right decision, get rich, dodge prison. You can't call yourself a man if you don't take care of your children. Either way, I keep it real, cause I understand the value. Up in the man of your word is all about action. Relaxing, on my laptop doing tax, but respect. Speak on my name and I'm active. Go your wallet when I made the transaction. Cash ain't shit, get some property and credit. Fingerprint is safe in the crib, nothing in it. You niggas know I'm smarter than that. Couch nigga, you wasn't brought up like that. Ounces of it and we turned it to crack. Took my life and I turned it to rap. AMG with the red seats, it feel like a dream. 5 hours on the interstate, gotta get this cheese. Stainless steel, Batman, Rolex with no D. Love, you know you gotta have your weight up to fuck with me. Running up a check to the neck, I got 6 ways. I'm just trying to live my life happy, I've been through some things. I think the best thing I ever did was never quit. Stay up on your grind, young nigga, you can get rich. Man. Shit. Al, turn me up. Started out in Riverdale, moms flew me from the bay. When I was young, used to hate it. Grew up, then I thanked it. Far away from my pops, thinking about that green McLaren. I can shed a tear on these tracks, you wouldn't understand it. Grams had the candy house, Margie's on Harbor Road. Still eat me up inside, that I missed her funeral. I know she looking down on me, while I'm in this 5-0. Remind me the old I can't lie, man, my mind gone. I was in a dark place, went hard and found the way. Living out the motels, cold nights on the blade. I knew that life wasn't for me, but still I took a chance. 12 hours on the interstate, the profit 10 bands. Calculate another dub, back then my goal was 100. Had to hit the ground running, praying they don't hit the spot. I was going through a lot, it was nice, I would cry. Probably why I pushed this black Rory down the I-5 was happening. Real niggas never quit, real niggas play the game, but got goals to go legit. Real niggas stay on 10. Real niggas stay on 10. Run that back. Real niggas never quit. Real niggas play the game, but got goals to go legit. Real niggas stay on 10. Yeah, I made it out the streets, but still gotta watch my back. Roll running, touchdown safe. Then I set up trap, thinking back, fresh out of jail. But I had to
Just in this little consolidation right now.
made a couple grand, Pleasant Hill in a motel, packs vacuum sealed. I was getting rich in DC while you was cracking seal. I don't glamorize it though, I was praying for a change. Hit 50 burpees in the morning, then I board the plane. Real niggas never quit, real niggas play the game, but got goals to go legit. Real niggas stay on 10. Real niggas stay on 10. Run that back. Real niggas never quit. Real niggas play the game, but got goals to go legit. Real niggas stay on 10.
Create that little 5-minute short-term low right there. Alright, could start expanding to the upside, right? Generating some relatively equal highs right on this 1 hour SIBI. You know, we come up here, tap into this 1 hour. Maybe even approach that 50, that consequent encroachment of that daily wick. Right, and then we get a shift in market structure to trade lower. Right, but we need the 5 minute, right? 5 minutes getting some structure going, some price structure going, and go from there. I just purged all those highs, came into that 1 hour a little bit. Tap into there. Let's see.
Shit crucial. I had to stop worrying about the shit I was used to moving. She black and Peruvian. I'm a real Mac and it's proven. Watch how I do. You know what I'm saying? Big telescopes and shit. You know what I'm saying? Sun's like, yeah, numbers. I'm looking at Jack London from my living room right now. You know what I'm saying? Sipping his tea. You know? Good job. Cruise USA. Cardo on every beat. You know what I mean? Just go do one verse. But Cardo, this beat too clean. I got some extra house shoes, baby. Good job. So take them shoes off your goddamn feet. Numbers. Trenches. Suburbs. Even Afghans fuck with me. Off top. Biking. Drinking smoothies. Rolling up the best weed. I'm cruising and I'm looking for a top-notch bitch. I can't rock skinnies cause the walk won't fit. I just slide through. I never politic. My pockets got a grip. She jogging off the rip. Yee-hee, I got PT. Bitch, I'm racked up. Like I'm playing Jenga. I'm stacked up. Don't act up. I'm active. Making shit happen. Baggage claim heavy. My hands never ashy. I'm classy. What's happening? You know what I'm saying, nigga? This just the intro. You know what I'm saying? Cruise USA. Sun's light. Numbers. Vitamix blenders and shit. You know what I'm saying? Sun's light. 500. You know what I mean? Had to grab that nigga. Fuck it. Down. You know what I'm saying? Numbers. Frisco shit, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Numbers.
Aw damn, it's the niggas with the big funds, big guns, outset life, it's this big mud. Aw damn, it's them niggas kicking P shit, G shit. I don't want your pussy where my feet fit. Two-tone got the leather with the wood grain, gang. All my niggas really love the gang bang. SF, I got love in the bay too, stable. Only thing I know is how to stay true. Hit LA, pull up at Velasco's, gang with some niggas from the jungles, that's the Congo. Me and Larry, 2 peas in a pod though. Avo, you just lost your bitch at the sideshow. They ain't funkin' this bitch like it's Glizo.
slow. You not a real P, heard you paid the snow. Made a couple thousand and praised the hoe. Me, I really came from that life. Off to the trenches, bagging the white. 50s, snatches, vets and bites. My cars are nice, my hoes is righteous. Now I'm dipping. Fucked around and lost my keys. But fuck it, I got me some trees and a few G's. Before I leave the house, gotta grab that thing. Cause shit get shaky in these Frisco streets. Clock it, the block had crack for sale. And like a Pittsburgh nigga, I pack that stick. Bitch, you know that it's real. Water with chlorophyll. I keep my hands clean. I'm a plan for real. Check me, man. Nigga, check that bitch. Dipping through the mo, about to slide to the point. And the bag get real, so I'm moving with the joint. 100 pack play, about to get it out the mud. But after this, I'm about to hit the road for a month. Tell me, have you ever drove to Vegas in the bucket? The money was cool, I took a chance, nigga, fuck it. You flipped out on her, found out the bitch was fucking. But real talk, bro, you should've focused on that money. A nigga gon' be a nigga, man, a hoe gon' be a hoe. Get up out your feelings, man, it's time to hit the road. Check it out, you gotta make sure you on toes. Nowadays, man, these niggas be worse than the hoes. Picking up my bitch on her way to the O. Drop top Lambo, I'm driving it slow. Don't call me about the punk rock hoe. I play by the rules, but you know how I go. Don't check me.
Leaving some sibbies behind, but notice how this is. Right, I don't consider a short-term low because this didn't make higher highs, right? It's made equal, relatively equal to the previous high, right? So in order for this to like, I consider this a market shift in structure if it takes out like this low, right? Because this high didn't take out this high, it didn't go higher, right? So that's why I wouldn't take this, sell off this Sibi right here. That's just my style, my personal style. I've seen those get ran through. You know, maybe we create a short-term low here, right? Trade through, purge these highs, right? And then do another break. All right, but yeah, I don't consider that a short-term low because this high didn't come higher than this high. Right, so this Sibi right here is not valid for me. That's why I'm not taking that. Right, and you can't be afraid of like really missing them because like majority of the time, you know, unless it's like very rapid movement, majority of the time they give out multiple entries. So like, how can you have like FOMO or anything like that when it's like it breaks, it's gonna break again, right? Multiple entries, maybe break even a third time, you know, do like multiple shifts in market structure. So it's like you just gotta stay patient, you know. Can't really get FOMO when there's like multiple opportunities to get in within the move. So it's like, right, because then if we start taking like this 5 minute, right, shifted 5 minute market structure, then that's just like more validity to the setup, right? So I still think we run that high one more time.
right decision. Tryna shake that fast money, man, we really need some millions. Gotta watch the ones you hang around with, it can get serious. Everybody don't love you, my nigga, just get rich. Thought maybe I can sell some weed, I bought some peas. Sold those, thought I won, and took a LOT. When I knocked my first game, man, it felt like a dream. It's like the world in our hands, non-stop, we gotta eat. In that rental, almost overheated. On the way to Phoenix, I've been tripping. Got a son at home, he really need me. I ain't playing with this shit, I gotta win. And if I fall off, I'ma bounce back again. Look me in my eyes and tell me that you really love me. It's lonely at the top, but at least my pinky ring bustin'. I'd be lying to you, baby, if I told you I'm a husband. But I love you cause you stuck around when times got rougher, you know what I'm saying? Like, knocked my first game and it felt like a dream. Sold my first zip and it felt like a dream. Bought my first whip and it felt like
Now if we break again, right, because that just lured in more buy side liquidity right there, right, if people trying to go short. Alright, now if we break in structure again, I consider that pretty, like, more higher probability, right, because it's already lured in, right? We were in this consolidation, little consolidation right here. With speed, purge all these relatively equal highs, right, all this buy side liquidity, and then just do like a little fake break right here, right, luring in like people that want to go short, right, that are eager to go short, right? And if we purge those guys and we do another break, yeah, that's, I consider that pretty high probability. You know, purging a bunch of buy side liquidity, and then it still wants to shift in market structure. Yeah.
sipping this hot water and lime and shit. Niggas like 5:30 in the morning, you know what I mean? I'm sitting back thinking like, they gon' do a whole lot of shit, man. Relive that shit, man. Quit playing. Let me take you on a trip to my life, nigga. Little drive up to Reno, quick date at the sand. Conversation with the how we gon' make it out the game. First we stopped out in Tahoe, quick play for a band. 19 with a dream, I don't think they understand. But fuck that, we elevate, now we playin' a trifecta. Yes, money in New York, but shit, DC was better. I'd be damn if I let these niggas take me out my spot. So I'm riding with this Glock and some extras. One man army, but I move like the president. Heels on the blade and surveillance on my residence. Scottsdale winner, thinking maybe we can hit. When she not around, I'm taking walks and calculating chips. Life's a trip. All I want to do is sit and wonder. You know what I'm saying? Nigga be up to some shit.
Okay, now this is interesting. Now it's still made with the bodies still making the same, right? But where this one kind of differs,
Spitting game like Warren Buffett. Yeah, I just dropped some shit, but got another one in the oven. I got certain whips for the summer. I turn renegades to full gold, nigga. That shit.
alright, we do have that, but look at those highs are relatively equal,
I fell off for 3 C's.
right?
Still managed to
I don't really like to see that. I like it to see one single like that right there. See how single low, higher highs on both sides of the wick, right? Compared to that one where it's relatively equal, right? On the left and the right of either one of those candles, right? But we did leave a little sibby right there, a little 1 minute sibby.
Man, this shit beyond common sense. Through the music showed you how I did it.
But me personally,
Spending too much time with
right, I would have liked to see the highs get rated, right? Highs get rated, then shift lower, right? Don't like those relatively equal highs for my stop loss, right? Especially with like a bunch of relatively equal highs right there. You know, even though we did break below this low, right? Look at this. Didn't make no higher highs even with the bodies. So just sitting on the hands, sitting on the hands.
You gotta want it. You gotta strive for that.
Sitting on the hands.
early morning heat the seats. Stop for some green tea. Hey, hey. You know I fuck with you the long way. Living life fast is the game we play. On my way to Sausalito, stop for some calamari. On my way to Sausalito, stop for some. On my way to Sausalito, stop for some calamari. On my way to Sausalito, on my way to Sausalito. Bitch, these cost 1,200. Fuck you, man. Straight up. You see the little red stripe and shit, Prada. You know what I'm saying? Something slight. Yeah. Might hit that Copier next. I don't give a fuck. Fuck all the politics, nigga. I am the politics. Realest nigga in this shit. Bitch ass nigga. Touchdown in Sausalito. Took the bitch for calamari. Fuck the club. I'd rather count this money and make some more tomorrow. Corvette, never drive it. Left it parked in Vallejo. Tug spot in San Mateo. Nigga, I've been doing well. $20,000 ring. And nigga, I ain't posted still. Fuck that small shit, bitch. I need that house in the hills. Never popped a pill. Never squeal, bitch. Step it up. I'm on some other shit, bitch. I don't even get my hoodies dirty. I pay my bills early. Shit, you gotta pay them anyway. Took the fee from the bitch. She paying niggas anyway. I get these bitches houses out the way. I don't never stay. New Chanel bag, Cartier, bitch going crazy. Sipping on this tea. I might chill out and read the paper. Fresh white tea, Prada sweats, chillin' at bodega. I can only take you out for lunch. No hanging later. I'm too deep, snow bunnied up, and I'm checking paper. It's too much ice in the face. I can't read the date. You say you never had a real nigga. You gon' learn today. Working on my credit shit. I might just take a trip today. Bitch bought me sliced and half oranges on the golden.
Let's go check out that 15-minute. Yeah, we didn't even trade down that. No 15-minute even busies. I got a little 15-minute busy right there. Still holding structure on the price action. Still holding structure on the even on the 5 minutes. So yeah. Sitting on the hands for now.
It's just something about it.
Pretty brown skin, body of a goddess, smelling so good, really my type. I've been searching around, but still ain't found real love. I put up on that, I told her like that. I got a couple girls I'm talking to, I'm trying to narrow down, hitting it from the hearing ocean sound. Took the Corvette to Half Moon Bay, it's foggy out. Grabbed the green tea, after that brought the Porsche out. I let her rock my hoodie real quick, she felt the ocean breeze. Dropped her right back at the crib, then back count G's. $250,000 in 20s, we gon' need machine. Nigga, this the 63S, not the 43 was had. I've been searching around, but still ain't found real love. Made my way to the top, but still ain't found real love. But I'm happy because for the first time in my life, I feel I found real love. I found real love. But I'm happy because for the first time in my life, I feel I found real love. I found real love. Love is when you Lately I've been feeling anxious, refreshing my bank account, investing a large amount, pack them and send them out, living that shit for real. Hammers is still concealed, orders is still fulfilled. I'm taking bigger risks, scouting locations, boss conversations. Chlorophyll in my water got me feeling great. I might take a jog, I might hike today. How you always got opinions but not making cake. I got a bigger plan, thinking 10 years ahead. Calculate 100 M's. Check it out. Yeah, we could've worked out. I had a lot of love
Look at this, those highs get purged. Those relative equal highs. And that's just like going through like so many setups and seeing price action so long. Like experience teaches you, you know, to know where your model fails, right? And I've seen that fail a lot of more times than not, right? So then those are like, right, even though like taking good setups is important, it's also like important to know like when your model is not gonna play out, right? Those are like two avoidable losses right there, right, that you could avoid. But like if you're in earlier in my experience, for sure, right, those I would be like, oh, what's wrong with the model, right? What's wrong with the model? It's breaking, you know. But it's just like, you know, didn't have the discernment to know what setups not to take, right? This is like two losses, right, for me in my earlier, right, trading, right, thinking this is a short-term low, right, taking that Cibi, right, but then it just like rides right through it. And even though we do get like, I mean, not even that many handles, it only goes like 3 handles, right? And then, you know, seeing this setup again, right? So it's like this might turn into like a little inversion fair value gap right here, right? And then, you know, think it's going in my direction, right? But like we barely tapped into that 1 hour imbalance, right? I mean, that's not a short-term low. Didn't make a higher high, right? Even though this low, right, these highs are relatively equal, even with these highs, but like just these highs together, right, doesn't make a short term, right? See how this low has 2 higher highs on the left and the right of the candle, right? That's like a short term low. This doesn't have it, right? So I don't like putting my stop loss on highs that don't have it, right? Yeah. Definitely some avoidable losses. You don't have to take setups, right? Just be like more diligent with the setups that you do take. That's how I'm trying to be more diligent with it. Right? Know when the model is gonna break, when it's gonna work, high probability of working, high probability of not working. Super key right there, super key, right? Now we're at like that 7, almost heading over into that 730 turn. So let's see if we could really purge through these highs right here. Turn into a low inversion fair value gap right here, it looks like. If we put that little 50% on there, see that cannon body starting to respect that. Barely ran through these highs. I just purged these relatively equal highs right here. Left that buy side right there. See how that 15 minutes looking. Alright, still have that little 15-minute busy right there. Hop over to the 1 hour. Right, there's that 1 hour Cibi. right? Those relatively equal highs on top of it, right? And then that little 1 hour SIBI right there, barely tap into it, right, on this current candle. All right, look at the 4 hour. All right, feel that entire 4 hour SIBI. We have this higher 4 hour SIBI right there that we could eventually draw towards. I think we'll get to a short-term premium right here. Maybe purge some of this sell side liquidity, trade into this 1 hour busy, and then start trading higher. But we'll see. That's just my opinion. See how the day's looking. Right, there's that almost. We're almost at that consequent encroachment of that wick right here. This daily wick. All right, consequent encroachment right there. Got that volume imbalance. Hop back down.
To the bay just to pay me, I'm foolish. I'm a dog, but nigga 100, I ain't next to bitch at all. Don't blame me, blame the bench. Stock AMG had to switch. Tracy, how you been? I'ma keep it 100, I hit it again. My name is Larry, and bitch I'm a heir, and bitch I'm a player.
Let's flip over into the little NASDAQ real quick. Feel some 15-minute imbalance right there. And let's zoom out a little bit. 1 hour. Oh yeah, it's got a little higher 1 hour SIBI right there, right? And that's probably the same imbalance that the SPY is in right now. The ES is this upper 1 hour imbalance. Right. Yeah, still filling in some of this 4 hours imbalance right here. Nice, nice. That's a London session right there. Purge some sell side liquidity. Shift on the 5 minute. A little busy. Fills it right there. Like it, we trade higher. I got some relative equal highs right here on this imbalance. Flip back over to the ES. a nice single low in that busy right there for drawing liquidity. Nice little single low in this busy, this little 1 minute busy.
Probably never follow on the gram, but I still tap. Bent the little bitch over twice and I killed that. I know she probably wanna be my main bitch real bad. So many diamonds in my chain make them feel bad. $100,000 ain't shit, I need real bad. Fuck all the chimney shit, bitch, I'm bringing real back. 3 cell phones and I still never call back. Baby just hit Monterey with a call at. Smack, 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 but I always use a Jimmy hat. Stack, 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 more M's, bitch, give me that. Work in the cut, case the shit slow up. She chose on the P cause she know I go up. Was had zoom in a sports car, I'm moving. Buck 40 switching lanes, nigga, I'm fooling. Whole lot of games, so these hoes I'm schooling. Pay attention to me, I'll show you how I do it. I've been tough for a minute, but it's time to fuck around. Sweatpants on, still rock the 4 pound. Real street nigga, get the bag, then I'm out. Keep it going, go right here, right here. I pimp and I rap, drive a Benz, not a leg, 2 12s in the back when I'm mob. Grab an A for the perk, fresh white t-shirt, no L.
Still would like to see those highs get purged. It's like a real shallow run, but overall I do think we're drawing lower. We just need to enter a good little short-term premium, right? Because we took already a lot of buy side, right? Relative equal highs, right? Went through that, broke down this what people would think is short-term low, right? Disrupted those people that had their stops right above here, right here, right? Then another one, right? We talked about 2 avoidable losses, right? Just with like more experience and seeing it not play out more times than not, right? This is a super shallow run. While this could work, right? This is a very shallow run into that 1 hour imbalance. Right, the location of it's only like 1.5 handles, right? We're looking for this premium and that consequent encroachment. 50% of that wick on the daily, you know, which will trade deeper into this 1 hour imbalance, right? Maybe even get to 50% of that 1 hour imbalance, which should be somewhere over here. Yup. Probably gonna be just sitting on the hands today, right? We're getting like later into the session, but since we did purge so much buy side liquidity, plus like I consider these like little fake setups, you know, just watch it play out for a little bit longer, because like more likely than not we're gonna purge this sell side liquidity all right here, resting right here, right? Trade into this 15-minute busy. Just gotta wait. 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 Let's see here.
But a whole lot of game, we got money to make. Break a bitch like a bad habit. I gotta have it, I want it, then I grab it, and then I stash it. Mash it through the traffic, swiping plastic. I know you want it. Stop acting so bashful. Cash. You doing good, baby? That a nigga might tap. It's feeling like 2019 all again. 87 vet, me and Trey in the wind. Touchdown in Vegas, did a play at the win. I'm reaching in my pocket and I'm thumbing through a 10. I put the foreigns up cause it's time to fucking get it. I hear my nigga Carter, we ain't dropped in a minute. You the type of nigga hit your brother with the jerry. I'm the
There we go. That's a better run through those highs. That's for sure a way better run through those highs. Right than that little shallow run we're getting.
Put it in my hand like boop, then it's cool. Smoking on sun, this cool. A1 top notch, all a nigga do. You a grown man, bro, it's time to get this loot. You sitting on the couch and you playing 2K. I'm feeling like a coach, I just keep making blood. I roll with a little straight up, you just in case.
Straight up.
In a brand new Benz, little ice on my wrist and some badass bitches. I've been drinking and I've been smoking this shit. Only thing on my mind is hoeing a bitch. Gotta make it out the game, shit been real. Stressed out, down bad, shit been ill. 2XYT with the 40. Don't be coming around me like you know me. Smoking kush in the back of a Rover. If she looked, then she took, then she owned me. Any nigga can fuck that bitch.
Yep.
I don't know why you cuff that bitch. Every time I hit the city, I get that feeling. Flashback Park 55.
Alright, just showing up and seeing the charts every day, being more like cognitively aware of what's going on in the market, you know, and just not touching the hot stove repeatedly over and over again. Right, like that short-term low formed right there on the 5-minute. Right, look at it, it's almost shifting here. Look at it, it's still in the bullish program, right? And then look at this short-term low got created. Now we pursue these highs, right? Maybe, you know, we're good here and we shift below this low, right? Or we trade up into here, get into more premium, probably create a little short-term low right here, somewhere around here, trade up to it and then break it, you know, shift the market structure up there. But looking solid, Yeah, that's so much more of a better run through buy side liquidity. It's like this, right? Very aggressive, fast, right, through the buy side liquidity. So much better than this like little lethargic bodies create relatively equal highs to the previous highs and then break lower. Right, same thing right here. Purging everybody that's trying to go short right there.
Eating on about you with a bitch named Rachel. Usually, crucially, this trap shit ain't new to me. I beat that kitty so good she got used to me. I got hoes in Beverly, bitch, I'm not settling. Juice with the celery, 10 in the magazine. On to the motherfucking rich. The bitch that I wanna hit me up, so I'm lit. Baby, how you doing? I'm too legit to quit. $1 million home, she gon' choose up quick. Bitch, I ain't stopped. 4-5 rockin'. Cardo had the chopper. AMG mobbing. New sock rockin'. You be click hopping. I be Steve jobbing. Mackin' on the bopper. Number. First off, I don't owe a nigga shit. Run it up, take a chance, get rich. Sliding back to back in them things. I'm just a young nigga getting paid. Drop top, I'm feeling good. Alkaline water, bust another jug. Running up a motherfucking bag. That's probably why you niggas so mad. Bitch, I'm all about a talking. D's in my watch got a O. Wait till the bitch see the crib. I'm a trap nigga, all I know is win. I'ma get it by any means. This ain't rented, nigga, I spent 3. My teeth white, so bitch, I'm smiling. 2 ropes on a white tee, bitch, I'm styling. I like bitches from Brentwood, Oakland, Frisco to Inglewood. You niggas know I'm never falling off. Getting neck in a loss, give a fuck about the cost. It's 4 in the morning, and I'm wide awake. Can't stop thinking about making this cake. Play at the play, blue at the blue. Coupe at the coupe, make the stress reduce.
As I proceed to roll this weed, she pretend pretend to be sleek cause she don't want leave. Day in the life of an actual G. Lot of niggas lying, they just rapping about me. I stay to myself, I stay to the wealth. Vitamin C.
Alright, we're looking at this low right here. That would be a shift in market structure right there. Look at the bodies come above those bodies right there. So much better. Right. Looking at this low. Look at when you go flip through all the time frames. That's literally the short-term low on all of them. Do create body relatively equal highs to the previous bodies though. On the 5 minute. Not a gang. Look at. Watch this low right here. Watch this low right here. Look on the 1 minute. It's the same low on the 2 minute. 3 minute. It's the same low. It's this low right here. Right. It's all shifted market structures. Right. That low again right there. 4 minute. 5 minute. Yeah, but would have liked to see, you know, short-term lows get created in this leg. That would shift. Let me take these like sibbies right here and stuff, but you know, we're about to head over to that second macro right now, so yeah, it's looking clean on the 3 minute. If we can come below this low right here. Coming up on that second AM macro. This is just for reading, not taking anything, but because this is just not my time frame towards the end of the session, end of my session, right? So you know, I'll set some alerts, see if we can come below. Oh, we might come below right now. Come below it, leave this SIBI, leave this fair value gap with the next 3 minute candle open, and then kind of go from there. Let's see if we can come below that low right here. Look at that low state. Look at that low right there. It's a 1 minute, a 2 minute low, a 3 minute low, 4 minute low, 5 minute short term low. But that 5 minute, oh, why did the bodies come up and close above that? 5 minute not as clean. We got that 15 minute going. We got that 15 minute imbalance right there, which is actually not too far from where price is right now. These ranges are kind of small today. That was just for the short term low. Yeah, this little 1 minute city right there. Right. Look at that. Yeah.
Every time you see me, I'm stacking something. I gotta stay healthy on the beach. Moving, grooving on my shit. Re-rock, flip a lot, moving with a 6
Here we go, that little 1 minute Sibi right there.
Seen that, and I don't even trap no more. This all rap. Everything a nigga talk about is all facts, nigga. Yeah. Nigga had to step it up. Yeah. Damn. Man, off top out the mud. Yeah. Going hard on the slug. Yeah. Check.
I don't know what it is, but it feels so right. How could I say no when it feels so right? Yeah. And that's my nigga forever. Told him that you doing good, but you can do a little better. And when I call, I'm just checking, making sure that you good. Do the bitch cook you breakfast? Yeah. I don't know what it is, but it feels so right.
Looking at our pictures like damn, I kinda miss you. Anything you need off top, you can hit me. Life getting crazy, shit getting tricky. It's just something about you, man. It's better when
I just entered that second AM macro.
trip is on me.
Just filled this 1 minute Sibi in. Alright.
Get a chance to see you, cause it's been a minute. I like when you wear your hair like that, stop tripping. And how can I resist when it feels so right? So fuck all that texting, babe, I'm about to book the flight.
I don't
It's
know
happening.
what it is, but it feels so right. How could I say no when it feels so right? Yeah. And that's my nigga forever. Told him that you
Yeah, we're doing good, but you could do a little better.
And when I call, I'm just checking.
There we go, create another short-term low right there. See us taking this high. Keep it going.
How can I resist when it feels so right? Conversation on point, smile so bright. I know we just met, but you kinda my type. You kinda hella fly. I kinda wanna try. Look me in my eyes, tell me how it feels. And it's so deep, like I'm trying to make a kid. Heart was so cold, you showed me how to feel. A lot of shit changing, but still got bills. I needed inspiration, you came through the chill. I show love back, cause I keep it so real. It feels so better when you with me. So damn right, baby, you can come with me.
Okay, well, it's about that time for me. We'll check back in tomorrow. See how things played out. And yeah, we'll go from there. Thanks for tuning in. See you tomorrow morning, New York Open.